Okay, guys, gals, welcome back to Step 1 Survival. I found this strange survival kit. I just found it to be odd. I was looking through unique items. I was looking for a present for someone, and I stumbled across this thing, and I said, I think I'm going to do an unboxing of this thing. It's this 24-day countdown emergency survival equipment. Why? Why are you So this would be prior to a survival scenario, maybe. But I like to collect weird junk, so it's got all these things here. So I'm going to set the cards to the side. So you would just go through the numbered boxes here. Interesting. So we're just going to start off, and we're going to go to 1, and we're going to see what every one of these are. It's ridiculous. Number 1, what do we get here? So number 1 on the list, wow. How did they package it so tight? They made that fit in that tiny little box. Whoa. Okay, so let's try and get it open. They made this fit in that tiny box. So it's like an IFAC type thing. Is that rusted? It's already got rust on it. That's bad juju. Anyways, your medical has you needing tetanus. All right, number 2. And you get a tetanus shot already. So this would be day 2, I guess. You're naked and afraid, and all you got was a weathered notebook. I don't know how you're supposed to write on it yet. Guess you're going to have to wait till one of these days are over. You finally get to the pen. All-weather notebook. It's a nice notebook. Tiny. All right. Where's day 3? Day 3. What are we going to be doing on day 3? Probably eating our friends. By this point, you become a cannibal. All right. So, a tiny little multi-tool. Is it crappy? Or is it nice? It's decent. Decent. It's got everything you would need inside there. Nail file. It's got your screwdriver, can opener, an awl for sewing, and it's got a saw, Phillips, and a knife. Okay. So far, you have a multi-tool and a notebook. Where's 4? Let's go. This better be good. This better be the pen. That way you can start writing about. Really? Okay, so I got this lanyard. I got a whistle. I can finally call for help. And a knife with a can opener. Does this work? But you've already eaten your friends because they're all dead. They died a while ago. So we got where's 5? 5. See why I love doing these? It's pretty funny. Oh man, day 5. They give you a flashlight that doesn't have batteries on day 5. But you could probably take this out and use it as a magnifying glass and start a fire. If you haven't got a fire by that time. All right, 6. Let's do it. What do you get on day 6? Day 6. This is just the wackiest setup. Why wouldn't you just put them all in a kit and sell it like that instead of like you have one survival kit, but it's like in numbers. It's a water bottle holder. It holds your water bottle. But okay, day 7. Have we gotten excited yet? Day 7, you get a fishing lure. Oh my goodness. Look at how hideous that thing is. You get this fishing lure. You're gonna get freaking hooked by that thing. You get like a fishing lure. Okay. Okay. Where are we at? See what this, good Lord, that's heavy. See what this heavy thing is. Day 8. Well, I mean, it's already too late. You've already eaten your friends, so you've already gone cannibal. Might as well give you a... This is to help finish you off right here. It's like, you know, it's over for you. Has all your tools. It's like a little elf tool type thing. It's pretty legit. It's got pliers. We've seen these a million times. You can find some, if you got like coconuts, you know, or you need to bust them open or break some walnuts or something. I don't know. All right, let's go to 9. Where are we at on day 9? Oh, huh. That should have been day 1. I probably would have wanted a blanket on day 1. The space blanket. What if it's cold? Oh boy. Day 10. I'm so excited. Day 10. Where are we at? This has got to be the wackiest thing. Give you a commando saw. Alright, so now you have a saw. You can finally cut limbs off. But you would have been doing it with this. Probably should have gotten that on day 1. Anyways. It's just wacky. Alright, day 11. Come on. Get out of here. Day 11. What are we doing on day 11? They give you jute. Beeswax jute. So you can start a fire. Day 11, you've already eaten your friends. And that's it. I mean, now you get to start a fire and talk about it with yourself. Maybe you make a little friend like Wilson. Alright, so 13, 12, there we go. Let's look for 12. What in the world? Look, when you're in a survival scenarios, you're not going to be too worried about keys. They've already given you how many screwdrivers? I've got 2 flatheads, 2 Phillips, and now I've got 2 more. Or 2 of one of each. So, it's ridiculous. Okay, 13. Got to question the order these boxes are in. Maybe they were stuck at the number, you know, they couldn't change it. To go with your fishing kit, now you have fishing line and some swivels and some, those are the smallest weights I've ever seen in my life. They're like microscopic. And some artificials. What are these? Oh, okay, those are weights too. They got these little ones here. Almost, well, it's not bait. Those are fake. But anyways, that all goes together. Okay. 14. 14. What are we doing on 14? Should have gave you the bait first. That way at least you would have caught some fish to eat your friends. Paracord bracelet. This is probably number 1070 for me. Paracord bracelet. But you've got a ferrocenium rod. See, now you're balling. Now you got the compass and you got the whistle. You got a little saw here. Yep. And you got some cordage. Yeah. Should have gave that on day 1. So you should just make 1 kit. But we're here. Okay. 15. What are we doing on day 15? Oh, please don't. These things? Really? Little carabiner things. They're alright. I kind of like these, actually. These are some of my favorites. It's just, you know, you kind of forget about stuff like this. Alright. You know what I mean. Alright. There's 16. What we got over here? Feels heavy. Okay. It's a knife. Seatbelt cutter, glass breaker. Is that a real glass breaker? Is that plastic? Nope, it's plastic. That ain't breaking nothing. Why is that even on there? That's literally plastic. I'm not kidding. A plastic glass breaker. I don't think you're breaking any glass with plastic. That's not even real. That's so weird. Why would they put that on there? Anyway. Okay. So where were we? 17. More cordage. Would have liked to have had this and this probably on day one. With some of this. Anyways. Being silly. All right. 18. What are we doing? Oh. Day 18, I'm finally making fire, right? I would have done it with the bracelet. I probably would have been rubbing sticks together. Ferrocinium rod that looks like a freaking transformer. Is that Bumblebee? Dude, that could be Optimus Prime. I don't know. Roll out. Survival and roll out. All right. Chaw. A pill bottle. What's this? You gonna put your message in it? I've eaten all my friends. I am still alone here and I'm naked. All they gave me was a writing tablet. All right. Day 20. We're so close, guys. It's almost over. Another compass that can go on the pants I don't have because I'm naked. I'm supposed to be naked and free. All right. Maybe I'm in underwear. You can call me Captain Underpants. All right. What? Oh, now we're going to waterproof the phone. So that's when we're doing it. We're doing it on day 21. We're waterproofing our phone. Stop it. Stop it. All right. What are we going to do here? Day 22. They give us another whistle. We now have 3 whistles on day 22. You don't have any friends. You ate them, remember? 23 and 24. Give me something good. Oh, well, this would have been handy like earlier. So these are neat. They come with the little card to tell you what everything's for, what it does, where it is. So the cards are always nice to have with these, so you know exactly what they do. Anyway. Day 24. This is the last day. You've died of dysentery. The Oregon Trail ended a long time ago. The last day, you got the pin for the first day. You got that like on day 2. And you got this on the last day. You finally got the pin. Is the pin right? Let's see. Yep, it writes. Yep. Anyway, please, please go check it out and go into. I'm telling you, if you go to look up like unique or weird items, it's always funny. But this is what I found when I was in there. So God bless. Take care. Please share the videos and take care.